If you do not have any friend, room amenities, bills included, you do not have to hesitate. I like this one. Let's see what's inside. Where will I live? Is that correct? I don't know, whatever per week, Australian dollar. If you live closest to your university, let's see the photograph of the property. This is the best option. Just I'm giving the link below this video. Oh, I'm in a beautiful garden near my house. Hi, I am Dikshit Mevara. Welcome back to my channel. Gujarati Life Australia is how to find best accommodation in Australia. It is really bad habit to laugh on someone who do not know English. But yes, you can laugh on me because I do not know English. My English is 50-50. Today I want to share little bit of knowledge. I'm making this video in English because I really want to help lot of students who are coming to Australia. Everyone's confusion is I am coming to Australia, I got an admission to this university, that university. The question is where will I live? Is that correct? Where would I live? I think hopefully it's right. I don't know, whatever. So my first suggestion, if you are coming to Australia, if you got an admission, if you got a visa, then you don't have to worry. The first tip is if you know someone, your friend, your family member, your cousin, anybody, just first contact them and let them know you are coming to Australia. So they can help you in the case. Either they will give you shelter for 1 week or 10 days, and after that what to do, which is the best place to live. My suggestion is if you live the closest to your university, then this is the best option. So how to find an accommodation near to your university? I have an option. I got to know that there is a company, Amber Student. It is working globally. Now they have started their business in Australia as well. I think in every city, if you are coming to Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth, if you do not have any friend, then you do not have to hesitate. Just I'm giving the link below this video. Open the link and you will find accommodation near your university. So what you have to do, so when you click on the given link, a window will pop up. It's Amber and it shows like home away from home. That is very good news. I will show you how to find very good accommodation for you. It shows it's recommended by you. It's good. I have studied in Central Queensland University in Melbourne. Okay, so start searching by the university. So I am searching here CETRALQUEEN, Queensland, Central Queensland. By the way, you can go down and there is more option as well. Okay, so here are more options like discover your, you can find it by the city. So here the option, just click on the Melbourne student accommodation, Melbourne, 50 place available. The best thing of the Amber Student, if you are in India, still you can book the accommodation sitting at your home. Before coming here, you know where you are going. That's easy. I'm trying to make this video in English because I want to help every student who is coming to Australia, not only Indians. So if you are coming from any country, China, India, Pakistan, anywhere from the world. And the good news, beside it show the map as well and rent as well here, so it would be easier for you. So when you go down, Carrick House, Uni Lodge 550 like in Melbourne, Uni Lodge, Well Village Melbourne, Scape Berkeley 1 Melbourne. Every property is beautiful. It's really good. I like this one. Let's see what's inside. Scape Berkeley 1 Melbourne. Click on it. So what it shows, there is one offer, laundry facility, bills included, study area, taking 2023 booking inquiries. It shows weekly rent as I told you, $2.99 per week, Australian dollar. Yeah, it's simple. Book now. Price match guarantee, verified property, free services. You can read more about the property, what's included. Lightning fast Wi-Fi, event program, laundry, everything, room amenities, bills included, safety and security 24/7, room type. Let's see the photograph of the property. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Common area photo, amenity photo, exterior photo, room photo, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, and 2 videos as well. Next image is really good. It feels like, and hopefully if you try to find by your university name, then it would be the closer. These properties are in city. For student, it looks really good. I didn't get a chance to live in this kind of facility, but that's why I'm making this video now, letting you know that. Oh, it's good. Common area for every student. Like in your free time, you can go there, have a seat and enjoy. Laundry room, Amber home away from home. Yeah, that's really good. Hopefully this video will help you. Open the link, book your accommodation, come to Australia. I never get a chance to live closest to my university when I was studying, but you have an option. So what are you waiting for? Just open the link, check out the accommodation, photos, rent, everything is on there. Just book it online, go for it. It is, life is really good here. That's why I came here, that's why everyone came here. Hopefully my English is right, and if you find any mistake in my English, you are free to give a comment. Definitely laugh on it. What else you want then? After watching this video, if you have any question regarding the accommodation or any other question coming to Australia, just write in a comment and I will try my best to answer every question, or I will make a video. I'm here to help. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my video. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.